Make this easy banana walnut bread. Let me show you how. You'll need the following items: 1 stick of butter, 3 overripe bananas, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, a 1/4 cup of brown sugar, and 1 cup of chopped walnuts. Let's get started. First, I'm just going to mash my bananas. Get a fork. Mash the bananas very well. Okay. You're going to beat your eggs. You're going to take that butter. Put it in there with your bananas. Take those eggs. Put it in there. Take a teaspoon of vanilla flavor. Go ahead and add your sugar. Brown sugar. And my baking soda is already in my flour. Put this in. And the salt. And we can go ahead and stir that in. Give it a good mix. I have my oven on 350. My pan is already greased. And now I'm going to take my walnuts and just fold them in. And put it in the greased pan. And put it in the oven for 45 minutes. After 45 minutes out of the oven, wait about 10 minutes before slicing.